Oh, but then again, there's my buddy, the chemtrailer. Can't have a blue sky day, can we, baby? Not in Georgia. Oh no, you gotta white out my world. Yeah, well, yours is coming, baby. Yours is coming, and it ain't gonna be pretty. My God, it's hard to look at spring this year. With everything ongoing. Look at the world. Look how pretty our world is. Look at those blooms. Just look at the peach tree. Look at those quince. Please, tell me. You're gonna let these people destroy it? There goes my plane. Oh yeah, there's usually 4 of them here. I wonder where their buddies are. Who asked that pair of turtle doves on that power line if they wanted aluminum and barium and polonium and all the wondrous crap in that spray dumped on them today? Who asked the birds? Most importantly of all, who asked the sparrow to destroy this earth? Who? And why? God help us all.